Yo, it's Sean G. What a Funk, and today I'm going to show you guys how to do some wood burning of some art. And I got this little art piece right here, and I'm going to show you guys how to wood burn it, do a little time lapse and a full video, so check it out.
What's the hardest thing about this?
So the hardest thing about doing the wood burning is trying to get the line straight and the curves. The curves are definitely the hardest part, and pretty much just have to move the wood leave the tool in one spot and move the wood around to get the curves without it getting all crazy.
What advice would you give somebody who's starting out trying to do wood burning?
So if you guys are trying to start out wood burning, you should definitely just keep practicing a bunch of different style and techniques. Like I said before, move the wood around while you use the tool. Move the wood around and just keep practicing.
What tools do you use?
I use this this kit I got from. You could get this at like Michael's or one of those art stores. This is all the tidbits or whatever it's called came with. This is the tool that I use and the tip that I like to use. So guys, I just finished the wood burning. I might color it in, I'm not sure yet. So this is what it looks like. And if you guys want to get into wood burning, check out some videos on YouTube. I didn't really check out any videos. I just jumped right in and started messing around. So this is like my third or fourth, fifth, I don't remember. But yeah, you guys should definitely try it out if you're interested in doing that. If not, you could buy one of these custom pieces at whatafunk.net. I'll have a couple of them up that I do. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Peace. Whatafunk.net. Follow me at whatafunk on Instagram. Subscribe to the YouTube channel, and thanks for the support, everybody. See you guys later.